Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will be implementing our project in code. We'll go through encapsulation and association, two key concepts in object-oriented program. And we're gonna illustrate how we use them in this proposal.
So first, let's look at the laser class. So laser class, we have done forward declaration of spaceship class. We have also included the alien and the hard header files. These are the private attributes. We also have a private method. We can see that spaceship, alien, and hard are associated by aggregation with laser. Since it's aggregation, we are using pointers. So laser and hard have have relation of aggregation. So this is the constructor which has default value. So this is a default constructor. Get y is the y value, returns the y value. uh, get active returns the active status, which states if the laser is active or not, which states if the laser is initiated or not. These are the getters. This sets the spaceship to this object object pointer. So yeah, this is the draw, undraw, and move, which helps with animating the objects. This with this method we get the starting point of the spaceship, which gives us the starting point of the laser. So laser is started from a point from the spaceship. So this method does that, and these three methods basically check if the laser collides with the alien or the heart. So as we can see in the laser.cpp, we have done two forward declaration. This is the constructor. These are the getters, and we can see that the spaceship point object is equal to this this parameter object. So this draw helper helps with drawing the laser, and laser is an ellipse. It's not a circle, it's an ellipse. We are using ellipse, so the ellipse because we can fill in the circle with color. These are the draw, undraw, and move method, which helps with animating the ellipse. This is the move method, and it only moves the laser object. Uh, it only moves the laser object if y is greater than 0, which means if y is inside of the screen. And if there is no if the laser is not active, then the laser is not moved. This method sets the starting point of the laser object, and we get the starting point from spaceship. X of laser is equal to the x of spaceship plus width divided by 2 of spaceship. Y of laser is equal to y of spaceship minus size minus radius of laser. It also sets the active value to true. This method checks to see the distance between the center of the object is less than or equal to the sum of the radius. This method basically checks uh, if collision has happened between the laser and the heart. So we will send the information of the aliens to the intersect method over here, and we will also do this with the heart. So all three of these methods check to see uh, if the bullet collides with the alien or the heart. So these two collide methods are overloaded collide methods. Now we go to the spaceship.hppp. Here we can see that we define maximum number of bullets equal to 10. So every time the number of bullets that we can shoot is 10. After 10, it will take some time. So we have used forward declaration instead of using laser.hpp. HPPP. Um, Here is the spaceship class. We can see that the laser bullets. Laser class has bullet objects, and there can be a maximum number of 10 bullets, and bullets are associated to spaceship by composition because bullets belong to the spaceship. The maximum number of ship life a ship can have is 3, and this is the constructor, default constructor with default values. These are the getters of the spaceship. These are action related methods. Basically, this shoots the bullets from the spaceship. These help in animating the spaceship from moving from left to right, and do action method here moves the bullets from the spaceship. Get ship life and set ship life basically moves the basically changes the value of the ship life. If ship life is 0, then the game is over. If ship life is not 0 but more than 0, then the game continues. um, we can see in spaceship.cpp here, this is a constructor. We can see that the bullets are initiated from this, which we use this pointer to point to the spaceship object. And so bullets are initiated here, and the bullets are always uh, since bullets are belongs to the spaceship, are uh, bullets are instantiated from the spaceship. The ship life is 3, is also is initiated here. These are the getters. This is the shoot method, which makes the laser or bullet objects uh, shoot from the spaceship. If the first we see if the bullet is active or not. If the bullet is not if the bullet is not active, to see if the bullet is active or not. If the bullet is not active, no, nothing is shot. But if the bullet is active, then the bullet is created at starting point, and then the bullet is drawn. This is the draw helper, which helps to draw the spaceship. These methods, draw, undraw, and move, help in animating the spaceship. And do action makes the bullets move from the top of the spaceship to the aliens. And get ship life returns the ship lives, and set ship lives increases or decreases the ship life.
Right, I'm gonna start explaining the line class part. This is the header file for the line class part, and this is the private method that represents all the measurement, or the call it dimensions, as well as the color that describe the lines color. Also, the lines is the rectangle. We give it a height of 1, so that give it a look like a line. Also, this line includes all the lines class uh, constructors. This is the draw helper as well as the draw. We all keep it in the public methods. In addition to get x, get y, get width, get height, get color methods. And let's move on to the declaration file. In the declaration file, as you can see at the top, we supplied spaceship file and laser file and line file. And here is the constructor that where we initialize all the values of the line. And here's the draw helper that for the line class, which will display the line. We used here also if statement. Here we got the color of the line, and if the color is 0, which is black, we set the color to yellow. This is the line's original color. And here is the draw method, where we pass the color, our preferred color, to the draw helper method, which is to draw the line. And and here we get x and get y, which is the return value of x and y, and here get width and get height, which is return the values of width and height. We don't have to here to undraw method, since the line does not need to be undrawn in any scenario. And also we need to obtain the color, which is return the line's color. Uh, for the width and height, we don't need to any setters here because we don't need them for the game.
Hello, I'm Iftekhar Uddin Ahmed, and I'm gonna explain the main CPP and the alien class. So here in the main, we will test the spaceship class, the line class, and the bullet object. So yeah, here we have the screen and the name of our game, Space Force. This is basically for the screen, and here we initiated the spaceship, the S1 object, and this we did screen width divided by 2 and screen height minus 100. These are basically the x and y value, and we did line. We made the line. We initiated the line object as well, L, and here we draw the spaceship and line before the while loop, and here this S1 do action. This is for the for the shooting of the bullets, for making the bullets come out from the spaceship. And here, yeah, and here is a space. When we press space, the spaceship will shoot the bullets. Yeah, when we press space, the spaceship will shoot the bullets because of this. And yeah, here we put 75, the code for the left arrow key. So if we press the left arrow key, the spaceship will move left. And here is 77 for the right arrow key. So if we press the right arrow key, the spaceship will move to the right. And we've also inserted these values. We can change this to make the spaceship go faster. So let's run our code. All right, yeah, this is the spaceship, the blue rectangle, and this is a line. And yeah, I'm pressing the right arrow key now, and the spaceship is going to the right. And I'm pressing the left arrow key. The spaceship is going to the left. And I'm pressing the space, and here, it's shooting the bullets. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna explain the alien HPP. Here, this is the alien class, and these are the private attributes. This is X and Y, and this is the width and height. So basically, alien is also a rectangle like the spaceship, and this is the color for the alien, and this is the speed of the alien which goes down. Yeah, and these are the attributes. Here to check if the alien passes the line. These two. Okay, and we have a helper method. This draw helper, and also the public here. This is the alien constructor, which alien constructor. This is the alien constructor, and this is the get x, get y, get width, and get height. Yeah. By the way, the alien constructor takes the default value. Yeah. So yeah, these are for the animation, the draw and join move, and this is also used to check if the alien passes the line or not. Yeah. This is the alien constructor, and we have the attributes over here. and this is the x value of the alien. This returns the x value of the alien, and this returns the y value, and this returns the width, and this returns the height. And this is basically this basically moves the alien downwards. This is used for moving the alien downwards. Yeah, and this is a draw helper, and this is for used for the draw and undraw, for used for the animation for moving the alien downwards. And this is the actual method used to detect whether alien crosses the line or not.
I'm Tahia, and I'm going to be explaining the hard class. So this is the header file for the hard class, and the hard is a rectangle. So the this is the x and y coordinates. This is the width and the height of the rectangle. This is the color, and this is the speed. These attributes are here to check if the hard passes the line. This is the draw helper method, which is a helper method, so it's inside private. And in public, there's the hard constructor, there's get x, get y, get width, get height methods, which returns their respective attributes over here. And then we have draw and undraw and move methods, which will help animate the rectangle hearts. And then there is the is collide method, which checks if the heart crosses the line. And the move and the is collide method is like the methods in the alien class. So what we can see is that if one heart crosses the line and the ship life is less than 3, only then we will add a ship life. So if 1, it will be sent to the ship life, and 1 will be added to the ship life, which is in spaceship.cpp. And then if the max value is 3, then it can't be added, since the max value that the ship life can hold is 3. So in the main 2 CPP file, over here we have the headers, spaceship, line, alien, and then we have heart. So this is the line. The line is going to be initialized here. We have the coordinates and the size of it. So over here, this is the alien number and the heart number. So right now over here we actually have 15 aliens, but for now we're implementing 8, so I have commented out the rest. And then there's the spaceship. These are the coordinates of the spaceship. And then in list 2 we have the hard objects, and this is initialized as well. So over here we draw the line, and then these 2 for loops draws the alien and the hearts. And in this for loop we have the aliens and heart numbers that are animated. And in the game over function, here we check if the alien crosses the line or not. So if it crosses, then we set the ship life to -1 to decrease it. The ship life decreases by -1. And then we have the life point function which checks if the heart crosses the line. And so if the heart crosses the line, then the ship life increases by 1. Then there's the get ship life method. So if it's 0, then the game is basically over. So now we're going to be testing the enemies. Okay, so over here there's 8 alien red aliens and 3 blue hearts, and the game is closed because more than 3 aliens passed the line. So in conclusion, we have 5 classes, which are alien, heart, laser, line, and spaceship. So we have implemented encapsulation, data hiding, association, which has both aggregation and composition, and the output for now is incomplete. We have shown over here how the player and enemies work. We have tested it. And in spaceship.hpp we have the over here we have bullets which belong to spaceship. So the association here is a composition. And in laser.hpp, over here we have the association here is aggregation, since there is a spaceship, alien, and heart, and they do not belong to laser. And there's only one spaceship. This is because the laser comes out of only one spaceship. So that's all for our presentation. We hope you understood everything, and thank you for watching.